this?
Hello!
Port?
What is this,
Yeah.
dog?
Okay, we're back.
You're gonna walk out of your
I'm playing Infection, obviously, because that's the only thing I wanted to do.
So I don't know what's happening.
I was saying,
This is why I played Dimensional Double
Mine
Dash.
isn't that bad.
I'm only doing
This is
Infection.
why I played Dimensional
Wonder
Double Dash.
Round?
Oh,
Start again
uh-oh.
and again and
Mine
again.
isn't
Hide
that
up here,
bad.
hide up
Mine
here.
isn't
Okay.
So
that
I'm trying to-
bad.
Why
trying to
don't
play
the
some
other
Xenoverse
ones
2
up
right now.
here?
I love monkeys.
About to have me Gohan beef.
I can't run at my full speed because this is what I'm gonna run at my full speed.
Oh, kid, there's a kid, there's a kid. Go get him.
Top of your head.
Get here, over here, boy. Whoa, wait there, partner. Wait there, partner. You didn't trick me with some kind of sorcery. What type of sorcery were you using?
Baby power.
Tell me
I'm gonna
top-
jump off the
top 10,
tallest point.
Pokemon trainers.
Number one.
Jump off the
Ash
tallest
Ketchum.
point. We're
Ash
gonna see
Ketchum.
what's gonna
Number
happen.
Two, Ash
Oh,
Ketchum.
Ash
Number
mustard.
3,
Um,
number 4,
Ash relish.
Ketchum of the Ash.
Look at the lickety split.
Number 5.
Never mind, we're just gonna go up the bow.
Nah.
I'm gonna fall.
Alright, and the worst is
Has
gotta
to
be
be
me.
I can just tell you can learn. I'm number one, actually.
You don't let me
Watch
this
me
guy, right?
Duke Bell.
Hello!
Oh, you will.
Watch me. Oh my god. He got the OG badge.
Yahoo!
No, we're not stupid.
You're wearing the
I love
raring
Yeah!
medal. Oh my god, you have the OG badge. You have the OG badge. Wait, I'm about to fall.
Bro, go watch some
Watch me
Isekai
Duke
Quartet, bro.
Fancy.
Why are you lagging so bad?
That's because I'm an OG.
Yo, you need an Ethernet cable. You're lagging so bad.
No,
Oh no.
you're a shade later.
It's not that hard. Come on.
Just about.
Ready? All you want?
I bet his is
Purple, there's no way you
035.
just flashed right before my eyes.
Flashed. What?
There you go.
You know something? You're either perfect or you're not me.
Oh no!
Push as hard as you can.
I'm right
Bye.
behind you, Purple.
I'm right behind you,
You're
cowboy.
Hold on, can I see the
Ow!
Alright, so.
A boundary. Either perfect or you're not me.
Dang.
Whoa, beard boy. Whoa there, buddy.
Where are you going, man?
Looks like we found a glitch. Bro, it would be fire to go to propane, right, bro? It would be fire.
Propane tank.
Oh, my hand!
What was that?
I can't run at my
The
full
town?
speed.
Ah.
Coming.
I can't run at my full speed.
Hold on.
Bro's lighting both Prime 2006
Let me
lighting
make some
the
noise.
queen. Girl, how could you let
Nah, man, she's barking at me. She's scary, man. She's freaking barking. Now she's meowing.
Yeah, back here.
Oh no!
Anya?
I'm not even trying to tag you, boy.
Alright, bro, she's like 7. Alright, bro, we can. Alright, bro, whatever you. Alright.
Oh, I
That's
missed.
too old, though.
I can't tag you, bro. You're making.
Eh.
He's coming.
Tag me, though.
He's down there first. Hey, come on, come on.
You can
Because
tag me, though.
I'm smelling colors right now.
Run,
Like,
run,
I'm not even joking. I'm smelling colors.
What does blue smell like? Does it smell like blue or does it smell like raspberry?
Yeah, get down.
It
Blue
smells like.
Shut up with your bars.
But doesn't that make
Come
it
on, hurry,
blue?
hurry, hurry. Oh,
Not
hit.
necessarily, because blue is its own color and raspberry is its own color. Because it has a different shade.
Watch me, Duke Lava Monkey. That's just stupid idiot. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna get off.
How's the little kid so fast?
5%.
Bro, you're actually stuck.
Bark,
You
bark.
actually suck.
Please tag
You saying I suck? You're the one
You
camping.
can actually do this. You can do this.
You're gonna tag?
Oh, freak. I'm
It's me.
stuck.
the last
Oh.
round.
No.
He's literally
You mean
the
move
last
with one arm?
Right? You gotta get
Oh,
that
she's saying I suck.
Boing.
How do I suck if you're the one that's camping?
Hey, you wanna
Like-
play tag with the lava monkey? Oh, tag.
I'm so glad I got that, bro.
Wait, someone just texted me.
I'm
My
on
mom
this
sits on
day
Chrono
off.
Crystal.
Or me, I left you.
I'm about to go to Tall Tree. Oh, he's double walls. Double walls. Purple, you run for me.
How is he doing that? How is he doing double? How is he pinpointing so fast?
Bro, he's literally the wall behind double wall. What are we
I
doing?
wanted to friend you.
Oh my god. No.
Come on. But first, let's play
I can't believe she was saying I suck.
You.
Bro, stop watching Overflow. It's not good for your health.
Why is she saying Jew? She's already tagged.
Yes, it is.
I got you.
That's alright, bro. Alright, bro, start watching some of that video.
I need a goon.
Oh, I'm so glad you crossed. I'm so glad you crossed.
I tagged him.
What do you mean you're so glad I crossed?
What's that?
Get
Alright,
him.
everybody send me your DBO link.
Let's see who sucks now.
Yeah, you wanna play DBO?
Yep.
See who sucks now.
Get Karat, Mister.
My top unit is...
Karat. Karat.
What's
Karat. Mister.
Okay, so apparently I suck.
Karat. Mister.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna get my phone right now. I'm about to give y'all my Dragon Ball Legends ID. And don't think I got Ultra Beast Gohan or something. Oh my gosh, this perfect screen.
Nah!
You guys want to do a
She ooh woo woo wooing. When I say it like that,
I'm over here.
she's ooh woo woo
You guys want to do
wooing.
a scrim?
You hear this peak?
She's a kitty cat. Bro, there's a kitty cat, bro.
Yeah, my
What the heck?
Ultra UI is not. Hey, Blue, look behind you.
Another kiss.
Zebra.
BSM.
Bro, what happened to your arm?
Beautiful display on peak.
Kinda bad.
No, my left arm is holding me back.
I'm getting people on
Please help me.
Wait,
Get me.
the
Come on, get me. Please
Alright. Everyone's glitching out because the server. Whew. Alright, the server just crashed. I'm going to end it there. Bye, y'all.